I can't believe what just happened. Oh my god, guys! Such a nice welcome to Sweden! What was supposed to be an easy and chill ride through Sweden and a few days of relax very soon became one more week of adventure. North Cap, the end of the world, dream of every rider. Come with me as I ride through Norway legendary fjords, curvy roads and mountain passes, while camping along the way. Let's cross the Arctic Circle and see how deep into the wild this ride will take me. It's getting cold! They announced rain for tonight and tomorrow, so maybe we're gonna find a cabin to hide and have a hot shower. But we still have a long ride to go. No, it's raining. No. How do we feel about the weather? Bad. Shit. We got so lucky with the weather.
Yes,
during the weekend. Officially called Burning Cow now. the final hug. Yeah. What was the weather forecast? Cloudy only? Yeah, only cloudy over there. It's just your thing hanging. Sorry, I couldn't explain. No, it was scary. It was in the wheel. Sorry. That time we all rode back west towards Norway. This time I'm luckier with the weather. And I am going east towards Sweden, exploring a brand new region and riding roads I haven't seen before. But just like the first time, this place means goodbye. After a nice weekend with those people, we all part ways. And today, it's also the day we're gonna part ways with Pascal. But who knows, maybe we're gonna meet again further north. I'm going towards Sweden and will spend a few days in Östersund fixing my tent at Hillenberg headquarters, who happen to be here in Sweden because it got broken during a heavy storm in Iceland, and also changing my tires that really need it. So let's say goodbye to Pascal, who is heading north through Norway, and let's go to Sweden. This is my first time ever seeing a reindeer. Such a nice welcome to Sweden. I've seen so many of those signs, careful reindeer, and of course it's summer, there are less reindeers. Oh, this was so cute. I can't believe what just happened. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh, this made my day. I'm ready to ride the 2 hours remaining. Oh my god, there's no one here. Okay, if I keep turning like that and stopping everywhere to take photos of them, I will never reach destination. Oh my god. Okay, I need a picture of this. Let's just say I did not reach destination very early. Is there. If I go up, I hope I can go down. Oh no, it's there. I guess I will go down here. 5-7. Hello home. So apparently it's a thing here in Sweden, more than in Norway, for what I could see, that you clean your cabin and your homes when you leave yourself. It's like, or you pay a cleaning fee or you clean it yourself. So I paid like, I don't know, 100 or 90 for this cabin. And when I leave, I have to pay it. Do it to clean it myself. It's out. Ta-da! Home for 3 nights. Gonna repair that tent. And while riding back from grocery, I decided I also wanted to repair something instead of just chill. So yeah, nothing a good tape can fix, right? I proceeded to make sure I'm really using all my gear to make some laundry. And the next day, it was time to go for my main goal: change my tires. Since I don't have a central stand, they came up with a pretty creative solution. I think it's not the first time you're doing this. Oh my god. Yay! I'm back and my baby's ready. Da-na-na-na. Da-na-na. Da-na-na. My new hairy baby. Just like me. It didn't stop raining for days, but I had to continue north. So it was time to start playing hide and seek with the clouds. I'm not using my GPS today to get through the best route. I'm just using my radar and literally choosing the roads that show the least amount of rain. And it seems like this strategy is really working. There was just one place I really didn't want to miss on my way back to Norway. So let's head there and have a look. And now let's go back to Norway. I have a long way ahead. So happy I made it after 7.5 hours of ride. Oh my god, it's super nice here. Okay, my cabin is number 1, so it should be just there. It is number 1.
Oh, it's a kitchen. Oh my god, they're always nicer than I think. That's so cute.
I love them. Look at that. Oh, I have a water boiler. That's exactly what I needed. And a place to sit and work. It's amazing. So nice. Okay, let's get installed. And of course I have a new issue to deal with, but I'm gonna gladly ignore it all night and deal with it tomorrow. Let's have a good night of rest, because tomorrow is gonna be a long way up north to cross the Arctic Circle. See you in the next one.